Yeah.
And I'm going to tell you this right now. Do not video. You can video your face, but do not zoom out and show the house.
I know, I wasn't doing that.
You Pokestop? Ooh.
Oh, I just got stuff from the Pokestop. There was a Poliwag near me, but I didn't get it. I have new Pokemon. I have Ghastly, Pinsir.
You got gas. Ooh. No.
There's
Hey, while you
Staryu.
I bet there's going to be one at the Western Rec Center.
Oh, of course. Of course.
Shall we swing by?
Yes.
Maybe one at the weather station, too.
Jimmy, here's the one.
What's this one? Bodette Park.
Yeah, that's the rec center.
Yeah, that's where a Pokestop is.
I'm going there right now.
I think I could get
Wait, am I seeing the same Pokestop? Yeah.
I have Kate, state your
Oh my
highest.
gosh. What is wrong with Team Red?
There they go with
They
power.
do trio?
Okay, let it sink in. If your player disappears, then it makes you tap it. He just touched me. Oh yeah.
Lord. Oh yeah, and I also leveled up.
Oh yeah, Pokestop, here I come.
Well, I ran out of Pokeballs, but whenever you level up, you get 15 Pokeballs. So I got 15 Pokeballs.
Yeah, I leveled up, so I got 50 Pokeballs as well.
Oh my gosh, I'm so close to the...
Hashtag love.
There's only a Spearow nearby. Oh. O-M-I. Oh my Irene.
Alright.
Now there's a Weeping
Got
Girl.
it.
I mean, I didn't get...
I got the Pokestop.
I'm like so close to it.
Alright. I'm going to stop right here. Let you guys play them.
What's a body bag? Body bag.
There's a,
Weeping Bell.
Weeping Bell right near me.
Ding, ding, ding.
I'm like so close to it. Why? Oh, should I put on an incense?
I have none.
I have one since I leveled up. I don't want to use it right now, though. What are you doing, Jamie? Dad, you can go.
Alright.
There's nothing left to see here. But there is a Poliwag here.
Poliwag, there's...
Oh,
You have not caught a Caterpie yet? Oh, well, you are level 3, so...
How do you rename? Oh, pencil.
Duh. While we're waiting here, I transfer my Eevees that I caught. Okay, by combat power. Alright, so the two Eevees. That Eevee and where's the other Eevee? Oh wait, I only caught one Eevee. Oh well. Okay. The Eevee transfer, yes. My Venomoth overtook my Pidgeot. Oh my gosh.
You named one Shad?
Shad the Destroyer.
Alright, you clean them up here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad, I named you after a giant bird.
Alright.
After
Fearow.
Pidgeot. No. What? Fearow?
Yeah.
Oh.
I named Fearow Shannon. for you, Dad.
Should I be honored or something?
Yeah.
Family is actually my strongest right now. Because basically you're the strongest in the family right now.
The strongest is my Venomoth.
Which you named.
Nothing. I just kept it Venomoth. I want to challenge a gym soon.
So if you meet a team red gym that's not like the weakest. That's like
Because remember that, like, the gym that had 6 levels on it? Like 2 Snorlaxes and stuff? Oh my Irene.
don't use that word.
What? You don't like half
Nobody had
now?
time for that.
What is it? You don't like half
Nobody
now?
had time for that.
No, I don't like it, period. Speak normally, or don't speak at all.
Okay. Alright, so there's a leaving bell. Hope we can get.
It was absolutely blank on this road.
You at the weather station?
I don't see.
Well, we're going home. I'm hungry. So.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Bye-bye, Poke Store.
Yeah, that probably stop.
Dogs out! Is that Mom? Yeah, it's Mom.
Oh my God, she's awake.
Me and Kay are dead.
All right. We'll be home in about 5 minutes.
I was kind too.
Go away, Rattata.
Hush! I
Okay.
took the scenic road back and let the guys catch some Pokemons here and there.
I got you.
Okay.
And sure enough, at the Ruskin Rec Center, there's a Pokestop. There's one at the movie theater, and at the lot, parking lot where the ice cream place is. So, yeah, there's a lot. So,
Okay.
we're making sandwiches.
Yep.
All right, we're approaching the weather station, so I'm hungry.
Alright, well, all I gotta do is put it out as soon as you get here.
I don't want you to put it out. I don't want it out like that because the bugs will get on it too fast.
That's why I'm not putting it out until you get here.
Well, I can't have like sandwiches made, fresh sandwiches ready made right when I walk in the door.
No,
No?
because then the bugs will get on them.
Yeah, but you can stand there and stare at them. Get into a staring contest with the bugs.
Yeah, I know. They beat me.
I'm going to have like 50 million eyes looking at her.
There.
No, the bugs would beat me.
So there's no Pokestop at the weather station?
I don't see any Pokestops on mine.
Where's the weather station?
The big white ball in the air.
Yeah, there's no Pokestops.
Just like this place isn't
Yeah, I am surprised as well.
Just like this place isn't that important today.
Oh well.
Pokemon. Go.
There's
Okay, and
two,
what kind of meat did you get? I know you got your
potatoes.
piccolo.
Ham?
Disgusting. Despicable.
Oh, well. Got your ham.
Give me ham.
I got your ham.
Give me ham.
I thought you said to speak normally, Dad.
There's a Vatican?
Yes, for you to speak normally.
There's a Vatican. And everything well.
Sleep well.
Hello, Evie. What's that?
Drink well.
Yeah, but I'm still tired for some reason.
Yeah, well, me too. But you're gonna have to lick this thing before you start work again.
I know.
I know. Okay. All right. We're about ready to turn. We'll be home in about 3 minutes.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
Gotcha. It was cute. Execute nearby. Oh
Just
my
got party in
Irene.
Pokemon Go.
There's a gun range right here. It's a Pokestop. No? Alright. Press it on.
Oh my gosh, Caterpie.
A Caterpie? Caterpie?
Come on,
Huh?
Caterpie.
Caterpie? That's what Pat calls.
Caterpie.
That's what Pat calls
Come on,
Caterpie.
Come on, Caterpie. Gotti.
That's her first ever Caterpie. Wow. Caterpie is not that brand.
Especially when it's talking about Caterpie. Whoa, it's like the Tata Nation back there.
So look at my list. There's my choke.
Here's my choke. Coming at me.
We're using my choke.
Yeah, my choke, you know,
I don't see it.
my chomp, my choke, my champ.
I know.
You know, my champ, the one that can use going onto the mountain and what is it one?
I know.
That's actually. Think if I found a Gyarados.
Oh
Would you
my,
be jealous?
Irene love you.
And I caught it with with 2 Pokeballs. Would you be jealous?
Yeah, not really.
Okay,
Yeah, my Venomoth is almost 300. That's gonna be my highest.
doesn't look like much is here. Think if there was a Pokestop here. I would come back here every day. Just spin. This takes a lot out of my phone. But I'm still like 50% battery. Oh my gosh. 2 Pidgeotos. One Spearow, 1 Oddish, 1 Weedle. Oh, just changed.
Alright, so what's gonna buy?
2 Pidgeot.
5 Rattatas, 1 Weedle, 1 Pidgeotto, 1 Raticate.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
And a partridge.
Actually, no,
in a
it's an Execute. And then 1 Execute.
And a 1 execute in praise.
Jane, stop.
I'm sorry to say this, but you're terrible at doing that.
Oh my gosh, this place is packed.
With what?
Pidgeys.
Why do you even need Pidgeys? Okay, well, we're back
Dad,
home, so...
This place is packed with Pidgeys.